A neat opportunity that I've had recently is to join a neighborhood book club with the women in my neighborhood, and I just, right away when I heard about it, I thought this is a perfect opportunity for me to just go, talk about a book. It's a neutral subject, but then bring in my walk, bring in the gospel in ways that he leads. And it's been really good so far. Our first book was pretty discouraging for me because it was something I had a really hard time with, a very different worldly view, but God really used some time that we were discussing for me to be able to share just what my relationship with God means to me, and how I don't feel that hopelessness because I have Him, and just sharing that, you know, I've seeked other places for that fulfillment and never found it. And I actually had a great opportunity to have a conversation with a woman after the book group, and she wanted to know more about, you know, just what gives me hope, and she was struggling in her marriage, and so I was able to recommend a different book. And so I think it's going to be a great relationship that I've opened up, just being able to talk with her about my perspective on the book. So